Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2008 ECE paper, and this question is related to microprocessor. An 8085 executes the following instructions: LXI H, 30A0H, DAD H, PCHL. All addresses and constants are in hexadecimal. Let PC be the contents of program counter and HL be the contents of HL register pair just after executing PCHL. Which of the following statements is correct? So the question is asking about what are the contents of PC and HL register pair after completion of these three instructions execution. So the right option for this one is nothing but C. C is going to be the right answer for this one. Okay, so we'll see how it is happening. So this is what the instructions are given: LXI H, 30A0. That implies nothing but here LXI load register pair HL immediately. Okay, LXI means load register pair immediately. Since it is given with H at that time, HL is going to be register pair to be considered. So LXI HL, LXI H, 30A0 means HL register pair is going to be loaded with. Okay, HL register pair is going to be loaded with 30A0. 30A0 is going to be the HL contents. So this will be H and it is L. Contents of HL are nothing but 30A0. Next, DAD H. DAD H is nothing but the instruction what it is doing is, okay, the instruction what it is doing is it will add the contents of HL register. It will add the contents of HL register with HL register and places it in the HL register itself. It will be adding the contents of HL register pair with HL register pair, and the result is going to be stored in HL itself. That is nothing but 30A0 plus 30A0. So if you add 30A0, 30A0 at that time, A implies nothing but 0 0 is 0, A is 10, A plus A is 20. 20 in hexadecimal is nothing but 14. So this will be 14 and over here 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6140 is going to be the now HL contents. HL contents after executing DAD H is going to be 6140H hexadecimal contents. Next, PCHL. The instruction of PCHL is nothing but contents of HL pair is going to be copied into program counter. PC will be loaded with contents of HL. So now the PC contents are going to be 640H as well as HL contents are simply copied but they are not modified. So contents of HL is going to be now 6140 itself. 6140. So both are going to be same. PC will be 6140H and HL is also having the same contents. So contents of PC and HL are 6140H. This is going to be the right answer. So if you observe that one, in this one C is going to be the option which is going to be giving PC. Content of PC is 6140, content of HL is also given as 6140. So the right option is C for this question. Thank you.